How to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2020, part 2. Here in today's video I will tell you a little bit about how you can get your channel fine-tuned, how you can use a few extra tips and tricks to gain more views, to gain more subscribers on your YouTube channel. I'm Ralf Straaberg, you are here, and we'll get right into it. Tuesday. It's Tube Tuesday, and you know what it means? It means that we are talking about YouTube and how you can benefit from YouTube, how you can grow your YouTube channel, getting the first 100 subscribers to your channel here in 2020. So, in today's video, I will talk to you about how you can use end cards, how you can use cards in your video, what you can do to up those numbers by fine-tuning your profile with profile pictures and have a good banner, how you can use a few nifty tricks here and there to tweak your channel into getting more subscribers and more view time on your channel and on your videos. So if you are ready, I will take you into my computer and I'll show you what it is I do on my journey to get more subscribers and more view time on my channel. In order to top tune your YouTube channel, there are a few things you can do yourself. One of the things you can do is like when we go right into your channel here, we go up here and you find your channel, and here we are. Make sure that you have a profile picture and make sure that you have made a cover photo. These things are there to communicate to your audience so they know what is your channel about, what is it you are trying to do. Are you selling something? Is it about gaming? Is it about fitness or whatever industry you're in or whatever it is you want to do? Make sure that there's something out there so people can see what it is you are actually doing, so they can relate to you and they are inclined to subscribe to your channel. You can make a cover photo. If you don't have one, you can go into a service like Canva, you can use Photoshop or anything like this to make sure that you have something that's a little bit catchy and something that makes people say, okay, this looks professional and this is somebody who has actually made something out of his or her channel. So we are really likely to want to subscribe to the channel. When you have made your profile pictures and you have made your cover photos, then you want to add a little nifty thing to your channel. You want to make sure that when people go, they have the chance to actually subscribe to your channel. They will be inclined to it. So when you have the descriptions in your videos, then you will always put a call to action. You want to ask people to subscribe to your channel, and you want to put a link in your description where you ask the people to subscribe to your channel, and in that link you will put something really smart. You will put this URL at the end of your channel name. You know, your channel name is up here, it's like mine, it's like this, and after the name of my channel name, if I do it like this, see if you can see here. I take away this here, bam. This is my URL for my YouTube channel. After this, I will do this. I'll put question mark, and then I will write sub underscore confirmation equals 1. This code I will copy and I'll put into a link shortener, something like bit.ly or whatever it is you're using. There are many different out there, and then you can make a URL that's a bit shorter and more beautiful to look at instead of your really long URL. But you can also just put this YouTube channel dash whatever and send it to your friends. But if you have this code and you copy this then when people go and click on the URL, and then it will automatically pop up and say, do you want to subscribe to this channel? And then people will say yes or no. Pretty simple, pretty simple. You can see here on my channel, here on my cover photo, I have made the same thing also here. I have the cover photo, but on the desktop version you will be able to do like this also. And if you look down here in the corner, you can actually see the YouTube channel, my URL, and the sub_confirmation equals 1. If people were to click here, it would automatically pop up and ask them to subscribe. A little bit extra you can do to get extra subscribers to your channel, and you have really nothing to lose. You can just put it in there and go for it. You can here, when I do like this, I can actually show you. You go in on your customized channel and it'll pop up here. Yeah. And here we are in customized channel, and then here you go and you get this, you click and you go edit links, and you put the links in here, you add links. So I have made for subscribe, call this for my YouTube channel, I have links to my Facebook group and to training I am having here, and put in my description. When we are in here, we can always do like this also. Make sure that you have made a channel description for your YouTube channel. Here you want to tell people what it is you're actually doing. This gives people a reason to actually subscribe to your channel, so they know what is this about and why do we want to subscribe to you. Are you selling yellow rubber boots or whatever it is you're doing? Make sure that people know it here, so they can relate to you and they are inclined to hit the subscribe button and follow you when you put out new content. Also in your videos, remember to ask for a subscription and ask people to hit that notification bell, so they will always know when you put out new content. So these are some of the things you can do to actually make your videos and make your channel a little bit better and increase the amount of people who are subscribing to your channel. But something else you can also do, you want to go into YouTube Studio, and you go into YouTube Studio. Here you have your dashboard and everything you can see about this, but you want to make sure that you go into your videos, and when you are in here, maybe when I go into this video, I want to go in and I want to make sure that of course you have always made sure that you have made a description. You talk about what it is you talk about in your videos, have links to join my channel, like see here, and this is what I talk about, the link shortener, like bit.ly link, like this. So you want to do it like this. And what I wanted to show you, you go in here and you want to make sure that you make some tags into your videos. Also, a lot of people do not make tags. Make tags that are relevant to what it is you're talking about in your video, so that you have a better chance for ranking for your videos. And you want to make the cards. And if you do not know what the cards is when you look up in the right corner of your YouTube, a lot of times you will see this symbol, the circle with an eye. When you go in here in cards, I click here, then I would go into a video like this one, and I would go in here and I would say add card. This could be, if you promote another channel, you can add this. If you have a poll, want people to say yes or no to something, you can create this. Or you can go in and you can say if you have created a playlist or a specific video you are referring to when you're talking, you can go in here. So if I wanted to add like part 1 of this video, I could go in and put this here so people would go click and look for part 1. Or I could be even more smart. I can make a playlist, and in this playlist I can go in and say to people, okay, boom, I add this playlist where I talk about social media marketing. I put this in at the card and it would pop up here. And I've said I wanted to start a little bit in, not from the beginning. I'll talk a little bit before it pops up so people have the chance to see what is this about, is this something I want to know about. And if they think that this is really interesting, then they would maybe click up here, or in the end when I'm finished they could also choose something different. They could choose and go in here in the end screen. You have the chance to make end screens. I put the end screens in every time when I finish my videos. I go in and say, okay, I want YouTube to suggest this video or this video, and in the middle, if they click on my beautiful face here, they will automatically be asked to subscribe to my channel. So this is also a way to get more subscriptions, and a way to get people to watch more of your content. You want them to stay on your channel, you want them to binge watch your content, you want them to feel like this is their own personal Netflix. So make sure that they always exposed to something more content, so you're sure that they are there to see what it is you are actually doing, what you are putting in front of them all of the time. So if you have not made end cards to your videos, you can do it like this. On every video you upload, you can just go in and edit, and then go in and put videos in here. You can have 1 video and 2 videos, however you want to do. You can put your own videos if you want to say, I want to have this video and this video because they are related to this. Or you can go in and say, YouTube can just suggest the latest video I made before this. If you make like a video last week and you want YouTube to suggest it, and you just say suggest the recent videos I made, and then YouTube will do like this. But make sure that you keep posting, and make sure that you keep people watching all your content all the time. So this is what you want to do. Go in and do like this. So don't want to change this, I have made it already. So this is a way you can go and actually increase watch time, increase people's ability to subscribe to your channel. And there's also a few extra things I want you to think about. You should also have installed. I want you to maybe go and add TubeBuddy and add vidIQ. vidIQ is an extension you can use in Chrome, and TubeBuddy you can install no matter what you have. You can also use vidIQ in Firefox, but it's really great when you use it in Google Chrome. So what this does is actually when you I can see maybe like here, like I showed maybe one time before, if you go in like TubeBuddy, you have a chance to go in and maybe do this like a keyword search before you go into posting your video, so you know what are the chances for ranking for these keywords, how is the competition when you are a channel in this and this and this size. So you want to use this is one of your friends actually. Go and install TubeBuddy, go and install vidIQ on your channels, and use all the things that you have in there to fine-tune your postings and go all the way in, so that you have all these extra things that makes your channel just a little bit better, because it is a competition out there and you want to be seen. This is why you're here. I hope you could use some of these tips and tricks in your channel. If there's something you didn't know, something you knew, say, okay, this was really great info, I can use this in my channel. Comment in the comment field below and I will give you an answer. And if you have something you are uncertain about, something you want to know more about, ask me and I'll get right back to you as soon as I can. And you're always welcome to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that you always know when I put out new content here on my channel. I will also leave in the description links into how you do. I'll put the codes so that you know everything, and it's more easier for you to go and fine tune your channel right away. You will hear more news about this and how you can go and increase viewers and increase watch time and fine tune your YouTube channel next Tuesday, where I will have more goodies for you. So follow me and get right into it.